Good, good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, everyone. So here we will start our 5th class lesson number 21. So yesterday we completed a wanderer called Taj Mahal, that is comprehension. So here the Taj Mahal, about the Taj Mahal I told. So here I explained you very briefly this one. So you too know what is meant by Taj Mahal, about that. It is the 7th wonder of the world, one of the 7th wonder of the world. Next today lesson is 21. That is Jaipur. Jaipur, the pride of the Maharajas. So here the lesson name is the pride of the Maharaja. Jaipur ante it is also very cute city and largest city of Rajasthan. So here it is Jaipur is a very popular. So everyone knows that it is known as Pink City. So it is very much popular. Okay. It is a largest city of the India state, Rajasthan. So it is a very beautiful place of a Jaipur. So it is a pride of a Maharajas. So here it is known as a pride of Maharajas. So now I will go to the lesson. Jaipur, popular known as Pink City, is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Rajasthan. So here Jaipur means it is known as, here Jaipur is known as Pink City. So dini Pink City antaranta. So it is a capital. It is a capital and largest city of India, of Rajasthan. So where it is a very largest city of Rajasthan. It is known as largest city of Rajasthan. So which one? Jaipur. So here children, listen carefully. Okay, listen carefully. So here the city was founded on 18th November 1727. So here 18th November. It is on 18th November 1727 by Maharaja Shivaji Jai Singh. Here by Maharaja Shivaji Jai Singh II. Here Shivaji Jai Singh, his name. He is Jai Singh II is his name. He the founder of city. 18th November 1727 by Maharaja Shivaji Jai Singh II, the ruler of Akbar. So he is a ruler of Akbar. Today the city has population. So today the city has a population of more than 3.5 million. So now today the city it is 3.5 million. Okay. It is a 3.5 million population in the here. Jaipur is the first planned city of India. Here Jaipur is the first planned city of India. Here it is the first planned city of India located in the semi-desert land of Rajasthan. Here where it is located in the semi-desert land of Rajasthan. Ekkada idi located undi. It is located in semi-desert land of Rajasthan. Jaipur is a major business center with a facilities of metropolitan city. It is a major business. Whatever the business are there, major businesses center with the facilities of metropolitan city. It is a metropolitan city. Which one? Jaipur. The king took great interest while designing their city of victory. So here the king, he has very interested, great interest అనేది he has been taken for to the Jaipur. ఈ యొక్క జైపూర్ కింగ్ ఏంటిది, here he taken interest అంటే చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపించాడు while designing the city of victory. ఈ యొక్క సిటీ ఆఫ్ విక్టరీని డిజైన్ చేయడానికి he has taken so much of interest. He read several books and architecture. He has been several books చదివాడు on architecture and consulted many architects before making the layout of Jaipur. ఈ యొక్క ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ని కన్సులేటెడ్ చేశారు many of the architecturesని before making layout of Jaipur. ఈ యొక్క జైపూర్ని కట్టడానికి ముందు he has been చాలామంది ఎవరైతే బిల్డ్ చేస్తారో హీ హాస్ బీన్ కన్సల్టెడ్ దెమ్ టు లేఅవుట్ ద ఈ యొక్క బిల్డింగ్ని కట్టే ముందు హీ హ్యాడ్ టేకెన్ ద సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ లేఅవుట్ ఆఫ్ జైపూర్. ఆఫ్టర్ సెవరల్ బ్యాటిల్స్ విత్ ద Marathas, so after the several battles of Marathas, Jai Singh was conquered about the security aspect of the city. Here after several battles of the he has been laid. ikkada Jai Singh was conquered. Chala mandi several battles with Marathas. Here Marathas ni Jai Singh was conquered about the security accepted in of a city of the city. The construction of city started in 1727. When was started? It was started in 1727. It took around 4 years to complete the major places, road and squares. So how many years it has been taken to complete? So అది ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది? 1727లో. It took around 4 years to complete the major places, palaces, road and square. So here it has been major places and road and squares. The city was built following the principles of Shilpa Shastra. So it was built by the principle of Shilpa Shastras. He was the Indian architecture. He is the name of Shilpa Shastra. He is the Indian architecture. The city was divided into 9 blocks. Here the city has been divided into 9 blocks out of which 2 consist the state building and places, where the remaining 7 blocks were allotted to the public. Here how many blocks? 9 blocks anevi the city has divided into 9 blocks. So out of which 2 consisted of state building and palaces, where the remaining 7 blocks were allotted to the public. So 2 he was consisted of state building and palaces, and moreover 7 he had allotted for the public. In order of ensure the security, huge walls were made along with 7 strong gates. Here in order of ensuring the security, huge walls were made of along with here it was made up of very huge. So huge walls were made along with the 7 strong gates. Here which one these are? So here remaining 7 blocks were allotted to the public. In order of ensure the security, huge walls were made along with the 7 strong gates. According to the time, architecture of the town was very advanced, and certainly the best of Indian subcontinent is. So here this is a right here the best according to the here it has been a lot of public. He given 7 blocks to the public in the insurer. He has only 2 he given the blocks to the palaces and buildings. So here huge walls of made along with the 7 strong gates. Here the security and order has been huge walls are made with the along with strong gates. So according to that time, architecture of the town was very advanced, and certainly the best of the subcontinent. Here the very is advanced and here certainly subcontinent. This is the best Indian. He is the best Indian subcontinent. Okay. In 1853 when the Prince of Wales visited Jaipur. Here Wales he was visited, but the Jaipur of the whole city was painted in a pink color. So it was which color? It is a pink color he was painted. To welcome him, the Princess of Wales visited Jaipur. So here the color it is pink color. So to welcome him they have been colored with the pink. This was how the city earned its name. So first the Wales of the she has visited princess. She is visited 1853. The princess 1853 lo she visited to Jaipur. So whole city pink color lo vesaru. So the name has came Pink City now. Okay. Why the pink city? Pink color vesaru kabatti సో ద పింక్ సిటీ అనే పేరు ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే హియర్ దే హ్యాస్ బీన్ ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ద పింక్ కలర్ దే హ్యాడ్ బీన్ kept for the walls. This was how the city earned its name. Even today, the neat and broadly laid out avenues painted in the pink provided a magical charm to the city. Here, now also it is in a pink provided to the magical charm to the city. Jaipur is a rich in culture and architecture beauty. Here, it is a rich in architecture and culture of beauty, which can be traced in the various historical places in the city. It has been traced in various historical places in the city. The city of victory really wins the heart of the people with the splendid charms. So here the city of victory really it is the heart of the people. Here is the heart of people, splendid charms. So architecture of Jaipur has a huge art of architectural creation. Here a huge of arrays and architectural creation. The variety of structures designed range from the Majesty Temple. It was designed of range to the Majesty temples, the beautiful gardens and the grand palaces with such a rich architectural heritage. Jaipur is major place of tourist interest. So here it is a Jaipur is a major palace. It is a major, here it is a very grand, it is a beautiful garden and grand palaces which it is a rich of architecture heritage. Jaipur is major place of tourist interest. The main architectural creation of Jaipur is Amber Fort Palace. Here Amber Fort Palace is the, here it is Amber Fort Palaces, the city palaces of Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. It is a main architectural creation said to be Amber Fort Palace. So here Amber Fort Palaces. So city palaces, Jantar Mantar, next Hawa Mahal. So these are the creation, architectural creations of Jaipur main. It is a city palaces, Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. The city is a square 800 meters on each side and divided into 9 parts. So here this is the city of a square 800 meters on the each side. 800 meters and you know it is 800 meters. It is divided into, it is divided into 9 parts. It is divided into 9 parts lo divide చేశారు ఏంటిది 800 meters. The palaces is located in the center along with the unique Jantar Mantar. So it has divided into 9 parts. So here the place, the palaces is located, the place is located in the center along with the unique Jantar Mantar. So here you can see Shilpa Shastra also. Here this is the Jaipur. Okay, ఇది Jaipur. Next here is showing the picture of the okay. So now we are moving to the another part. Here how the bride of Maharajas Jaipur, you know. So ikkada 18, the city is founded in 18th November 1727 of Maharaja Jai Singh to the ruler of Amber. Here the ruler of Amber. Today the city has population of more than 3.5 million. So Jaipur is the first planned city of India. So it is located in semi-desert land of Rajasthan. Jaipur is a major business center with the facilities of metropolitan city. So here it has been started in 1727 lo start ayindi. It has took 4 years to complete the major palaces, road and square. So it is a following principal Shilpa Shastra of Indian architecture. Next it is in 1853. The prince, when she was visited, akkadiki vellindi. So it was colored with pink, so much of colored with pink. So it is known as Pink City. Andla name ochindi. So here it is a very beautiful place. So here Hawa Mahal, Jantar Mantar ane oka rendu city palaces, Jantar Mantar and Hawa Mahal. So here the city palaces built by Jai Singh is Islamic in style of appealing with the excellent డిజైన్. ఇక్కడ ఈ సిటీ యొక్క ప్యాలెసెస్ బిల్ట్ బై స్వై జైసింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఇస్లామిక్ ఇన్ స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ అపీలింగ్ విత్ ఇట్స్ excellent design. The Hawa Mahal is another interesting piece of architecture set up in by Jai Singh. Savai Jai Singh to ee yokka Hawa Mahal another interesting piece of architecture set by Jai Singh. It is 5-story structure. It is a 5-story structure of sandstone plastered in pink color, covered with fine works and intricate in balcony. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ యొక్క 5-story స్ట్రక్చర్ని శాండ్స్టోన్తో ప్లాస్టరేటెడ్ ఇన్ పింక్ కలర్, కవర్డ్ విత్ ఫైన్ వర్క్స్ అండ్ ఇంట్రికేట్ బాల్కనీస్. సో హవా మహల్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఏ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వర్క్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్. ఇది హవా మహల్ కూడా ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ విత్ స్టోన్ lattice screen and windows facing the main street. From the royal ladies could gaze at the bustling town with showing themselves. Here it is a lattice screen with the windows facing main street from where the royal ladies could gaze a bustling town without showing themselves. The Jantar Mantar is inside the palace's quarters. It is a lopala Jantar Mantar. It is a inside of palace's quarters. The architecture of the building is inspired by Islamic tradition. It is a Islamic tradition. It has been ఇన్స్పైరింగ్ ఆఫ్ వాళ్ళని ఎవరిని ఇన్స్పైర్ తీసుకున్నారు టు ద ఇస్లామిక్ ట్రెడిషన్. దే హ్యావ్ బీన్ టేకెన్ ద ఇస్లామిక్ ట్రెడిషన్. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ హియర్ ఇస్లామిక్ స్టైల్లో దే హ్యాస్ బీన్ అప్లై అంటే ఈ యొక్క సిటీ excellent design. It has been styled appealing by the Islamic. So it is a Hawa Mahal. It is another interesting piece. It has been architecture by the 5-story structure of the sandstone plastered in a pink color, covered with fine works. It has been fired with the fine work to chesaru with the excellent balconies. So Hawa Mahal is also one of the very beautiful inside of the facing main street, and it is a ladies could be gazed into the bustling town showing themselves. So here Jantar Mantar is the inside places of the quarters. Here the architecture of the building is inspired of Islamic tradition lo it has been taken. The royal cactuses of Jaipur. Cactuses of Jaipur are example of 18th century of Rajput architecture. So ikkada it is of cactuses. Ikkada it is a name of cactuses means umbrellas. ఇది 18th century. It is in 18th century lo the example of royal cactuses of Jaipur is example 18th Rajput architecture. So chatteries means umbrellas. These open chatteries type of tombs are white marbles with the domes supporting on pillars. Here the chatteries ante entidante it is like umbrellas. So here you can see in the picture it is like umbrellas. So this is open with the chatteries types tombs. Ivi tombs laga are white marbles with the domes supporting the pillars. Here they are supporting the pillars with these domes standing on the 4 or more pillars come to be called cactuses, and later even the tombs were called cactuses. Decorative pavilions on the top of building are also called cactuses. So these are the very royal cactuses. So here it is an 18th century. This cactus means umbrellas. So here umbrella shape lo untundi. So it is opened of cactus tombs laga umbrella tombs laga untundi. Next it is supporting to the 4 pillars. These 4 or more pillars came to call cactus, and later these tombs were called cactus. Decoratively pavilions on the top building are also called as cactus. So here ఈ యొక్క 18th సెంచరీలో ఇవన్నీ ఈ యొక్క క్యాక్టస్ అనే ఇవన్నీ పిలిచారు టోమ్స్. ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ లుక్స్ లైక్ అంబ్రెల్లా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ వెరీ రాయల్ క్యాక్టస్ ఆఫ్ జైపూర్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ 18th century చిల్డ్రన్. హియర్ ద 4 వెరీ డెకరేటివ్లీ అంటే చాలా అందంగా డెకరేట్ చేసింది ఈ యొక్క బిల్డింగ్. ఇట్ నోన్ యాజ్ చాట్రీస్. So among the here, so here now we can see the first picture here, you can see. So here second picture also you can see. Okay. So here now we have been completed the half of the lesson. So tomorrow I will continue the lesson. Okay. Tomorrow in lesson again I will continue the Jaipur, the pride of Maharajas. That is lesson number 21. So it is a very beautiful city. Again I will explain you. It is known as why Pink City and Enduk Pilsaru. So tomorrow again I will continue the lesson, children. So now I will leave my class. It is a lot of time I have been taken for you. So you are also taking interest, I am thinking. So 5th class you must take more and more interest for your next class. So now you will be promoted, but it's the main basics. Next year you are going to 6th. So please concentrate on your studies. So whatever we are telling, so please keep some interest and do the whatever work we will do. Now I will leave my class. Thank you very much, children.